day 4 at the boats. We've got stripes there to sand. We got stripes down there to sand. And then we got to go up top, start working on that. But man, it was 47 degrees yesterday for the high. This morning it's about 38 or 40, somewhere in there. It's supposed to be up to almost 60 today, but man, what a beautiful day today. No clouds, no nothing. Here on Cave Run Lake. So got some fishermen out there boating around. And start day 4 on a boat. What's he doing over there?
Trying to sand above the water.
Well, you got plumber's crap going on now. You're in pretty good shape. Douglas, he can't hear us.
Don't make him laugh. He might drop the sand.
He dropped the GoPro. Alright, so we got all that sanded down. All we're doing is just removing the harshness of the edge lines so they don't show through the vinyl when we install the vinyl. Does it?
Yeah. It's like, I don't know what that is.
Alright. Day 4, Aaron. We got all the sanding done. Prep work's done.
Feels good.
All the stripes are sanded. So tomorrow we'll come pressure wash, bring our cleaners, pressure wash and scrub everything down, get it decontaminated, and Monday probably start installing vinyl. So from Cave Run Lake, that's a wrap.